Ladies and gentlemen, I'm the Bricks Gentleman, and today we will have a look at a few airplanes. So, James, pass me the bricks. Okay, sir. So here we have the first one. This is, how do we call that? A triple decker. And it's kind of a very damaged one, with skeleton flying it. This used to be, I think, a double decker, but that was not enough for Pricomime, so. And as you know him, you always have to change stuff. It's very, very rare that he keeps things original. And to make that triple decker, he needed another set, so we have another one of that. So, James, pass me the bricks. Okay, sir. And here we have another triple decker. This one has a shorter span, so he needed that, I think, that blue panels. And we don't have a pilot here. Maybe the pilot got lost on. But it must be some skeleton as well. This is a newer version, without any rust and without any dirt, and let's see, the engine is heavily smoking, so, and spitting flames and everything, so must be some very damaged airplane. And we have another version. James, pass me the third version. Okay, sir. So here we have, I don't know how this is called, a single decker or just an airplane, I don't know. You can tell me in the comment section down there below. And you can also, if you want, even if you're already down there, you can subscribe to my channel if you don't mind. Oh, well, some loose bricks. I think this version is very close to the original, but there's only single deck. This was maybe created out of the leftover pieces, and that's kind of typical. You buy this Pricomime 3 different sets, and none of them is original anymore. It's like it is. He's a strange person. Can't keep anything original. But at least we have something interesting to show. So, I hope you enjoyed the presentation. Have a lovely day and see you soon.